Hi everybody, it's Jennifer and Claire, and we have a fun learning product for you today. It is this premium grooved handwriting practice kit, and it's really cool because you can reuse it. Let me get a little closer. You can reuse it, and the pen just magically disappears from the book. You don't even have to wipe it. It just goes away, and then you can reuse it again. So this kit is really cool. There you go. There's Claire's example. Now let me show you what you get in this kit. You get a ton. So you get 4 books, 4 pens, 4 pencil grips, and 30 pen refills and stickers. So it is complete. It also comes with a bag that I will show you in a little bit. So you get 4 different themes of books: letters, numbers, math, and drawing. It's really great. So the practice writing book is safe for children to use, and the calligraphy paper is super thick and more durable. So you're going to be able to use it again and again. The paper has these really cool 3D grooves, which really helps guide your child to help them form the memory while writing. And then again, that magic ink disappears after 30 minutes. The grips are great. They help your kids learn how to hold a pen the correct way and to write with really great posture habits. This kit is suitable for children 3 and over, and you will definitely want to pick some up for preschool, kindergarten, and even your homeschool children. And this really makes a great gift as well. I love this children's writing practice set. It comes with everything that you need to start your child on the road to great writing. Highly recommend.